I live in South Korea and I was born in 2000. This is kind of a thing that we do in Korea. When we introduce ourselves, we always say about like how old I am and like where I live. Whatever. It's just a Korean thing. Okay. I'm kind of having a very not a bad time, but having some fun time getting to know about myself these days. So, I worked at a magazine called Around Magazine in Korea, and the editors made this thing. It asks you a question about something about you that is kind of essential or can help getting to know about yourself more. So I'm gonna try answering these questions for a couple of days. I was there until like a magazine comes out. They make a magazine, so they have these questions falling to their volume. Like if it's volume 50, they have a 50, question number 50. And yes, I'll try to answer something. I'm just gonna pick one randomly and oh, I got this question. It says 아름다운 자연을 마주할 때 어떤 기분을 느끼나요? How do you feel when you see a beautiful nature? Maybe I feel like, I love art and I love all those stuff that come from arts, but I think the most beautiful art is nature, whenever we see it. It's just so amazing, isn't it? Like, you see the nature and you lose, you don't know what to say when you see nature. That's how I feel when I see nature, truly, and myself. So, yeah, I wonder how you feel when you see the beautiful nature in front of you. Maybe just the grass in front of your garden, in front of your yard, or like the sky you see, or the sunset you see every day. But it says beautiful nature, so it must be something fascinating that you see a few times in your lifetime, or whatever. Yeah. I wonder how you feel too. I feel like, yeah, I can't keep my mouth shut. It's just so beautiful. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Um, it's kind of awkward to just end it, so maybe I can tell you about, like, which nature that I saw was beautiful. I get fascinated by sunsets very a lot. And, Hangang River, they have this sunset and, like, light glow when you see it. I'll put the picture here, so yeah, I get fascinated by those sights. I wonder which nature you see that is beautiful and how you feel it too. Bye. Have a good night.